Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make free and easy thumbnail and uncovering the secrets to grab viewers' attention. So firstly, go to your Chrome, search for Canva, click the link, open it. As I already have signed in, I can directly go and make a beautiful template for you. But before that, you all have to sign in. Click on the search bar, search for thumbnail. You will get so many options where you can make a beautiful thumbnail for yourself or for your video. So here I got a beautiful template. I like this one. So let's customize this template. Here you can see the search bar from where you can get other templates also. Here is the elements icon from where you can choose these strokes, circles, arrows, many things that is available to you. And even you can search for arrow like this. You will get different shapes of arrow. From here you can add headings, subheadings, title and all. Here is the brand. From here you can upload your pictures which you want to add on your thumbnail. A video, beautiful videos you can add or audios. From here you can draw anything which you want to draw on your template. So firstly, let's start. Here I will show you how to use images, text and design elements to pique viewers' curiosity to make them watch your video. Remember that color psychology and contrast is very important for a thumbnail. So let's get started. Adjust your text. Even you can change the fonts from here. This here like I want to add this arrow. Which will make it looks good. stroke. Want to change the strokes color? Made it black. Want to make this white. Go here, search for a circle. Add something like this. You can even search for subscribe button. Photographics. You will get so many. You can go to share. If you want to download this, you can download it from here. Here it is downloading. You can go to your file manager and you can find this thumbnail on your file manager. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching.